Hello, welcome back. The question of the day to answer is, okay, where to choose reference mandatory. That's I would like to show you. So here we have multiple set of options. Okay, reference mandatory is the functionality like whenever you try to create any document. So without that, forcibly system is mandating you cannot able to copy the document from your reference document. Okay, so for example, I'll tell you the instances. For example, if you take a sales order, and the sales order you would like to copy certain data. Okay, so then a reference mandatory means it will not allow you to create a sales order manually. Either you can take the reference of previous sales order, either you can take the with reference of quotation. So you are mandating with one certain object. You cannot able to do multiple documents for reference to copy your target document. This is how it happens. Okay, if you don't know, then you just comment here. I will help you out how to do this. I will do one video and I'll show you that option how it works actually. Okay, it's all your interest level. So then reference mandatory is mandatory so that your target document you cannot able to create manually. How you entering sold to party, ship to party? No, nothing. Like if you're taking reference quotation, only from quotation, it is giving the box where you're choosing the reference. Okay, that where you can able to control. Generally, if you see this, you cannot able to control this thing only at item level, only at item category level. This should be at your header. Document type where exactly it is at your header level you're supposed to control. So then answer is here. You can find the C is sales document type level. So warehouse level to make you confused. Company code level you got some doubt, company code also certain data will be copied in header, and item level and item category level to push you to get into the wrong direction. This question actually, and location, if you don't have knowledge at all, you'll go for these kind of things actually. So the correct answer is sales document level. I think thank you for choosing me. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, you can subscribe it here. More videos are there, and if you look at here, I'm just providing below of this video, I'm providing my YouTube links also. If you want, you can subscribe and to enhance your knowledge. Thank you so much for giving me time and an opportunity to share my knowledge. Probably this is an opportunity. If you're living, it's an opportunity. Thank you for giving an opportunity. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Have a great day. Enjoy your work and enjoy your subject. Be honest, be honest, be honest. I'm telling you, be honest. It will work for you. Everything. I am also like you, like other human being who born on the earth and striving for something. Thank you so much. Have a great day.